check out my new song, Self-Made, featuring French Montana. Let's go.
Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire. 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 Leaning over bottle with a Henny. Fucking with some models and the diamonds, I got plenty. 20s on that sticky. Phantom when I ride up. Eyes looking chinky. I'm puffing on that water. I'm stunting on them hoes. You think I hit the lotto? When she charging for a show, I'm charging for my rider. Shorty see me shining, said she fuckin' with the kid. That's a mortgage on my pinky and a mansion on my wig. I said hop up in that whip, let them other bitches follow. Let me take you where I live. You would think I was hot and I'm a self-made millionaire. Next stop billionaire. Ask him on the corner how they made about $1 million.
Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire. El mundo me conoce ya, I got fans everywhere. Catch me flying in my lair, shine straight like a chandelier. Landing to the road of riches, you can stop and watch me stare. French Montana, en la Big Manzana. You can fuck with this level, nos vemos hasta mañana. Do my thing, papa, tattoos en la tata. Told her my name is Daddy, she call me the big papa. Puerto Rico gave me the heart, New York gave me the swag. Foreign ain't no good, so millones watching my back. Self-made, but I've been paid. Tú no juegas like replay. My pockets are rockstar, le gustan los gringos. Everywhere I go, people know my story and the hood, they show me love. Everywhere I go, llego con lo mío con un piquete cabrón.
Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire. Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire. Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire. Self-made millionaire, next stop billionaire.
Ain't nobody got it like that. Ain't nobody living like that. Yeah. Been the king for like 20 years. Tell me who did it like that. Who Tito, hovercraft. Tell me who flip it like that. Hand the keys to my waitress. Tell me who tip it like that.
Take it, break it. Tell your daddy what you want. Ma, wait up, be a billonario.
Ayer en Venezuela, hoy salgo pa' Bruselas. Y en el avión tengo un par de azafatas que modelan. One hand up to the ceiling. If you're self-made and you came up with the realest. Now two hands up to the ceiling. If you got it made and you feeling like I'm feeling. Yeah,
Self-made millionaire.